Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A6 Pro 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Here you can see incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, what you have to do first, press and hold the volume up and power button together, and now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together until the OPPO logo appears. When it appears, release. So here you can see language. Select language. You can use the touch feature or use the volume key and power button to confirm. So here select language, and here you can see in recovery format data, reboot device and power off is available. Tap on format data. So here you can see please enter verification code 3473. Enter it 3473, and you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. So what you have to do, you need to tap on format. Wiping, please wait. And here you can see data is successfully formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard set, it might take some time to boot up the device. After hard set, again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set OPPO A6 Pro 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.